Hello, I'm Tim Collins from the Digivac company, and I'm going to tell you about a customer application using Downstream vacuum control. Typically for this, we'd sell something like this, a model 450. Very easy to use because you just turn the knob in the front and that varies the vacuum that you want to maintain the pressure at. And it's even easier to set up. You just put your pump on one side and then your vessel on the other side and you're all set to go. That's all you need to do. For this setup, the customer wanted something slightly different. What they wanted to do was take a 0.5 gallon vessel and they wanted to control that between 0.5 torr, 500 millitorr, and 30 torr. So, and they also wanted to use capacitance manometers. So what we did is, in our setup here, for testing for the customer, we've got that 0.5 gallon vessel, we've got a 100 torr capacitance manometer, we've got a bleed that's actually coming from our 450 to bleed the vessel up, and this line goes down to our vacuum pump, and we actually have an external valve here. This is the kind of valve that we would use for an external configuration like this one. So if we focus right here on the actual 450 itself, what we can do is see what the vacuum is, and that's the reading on the left. And on the right, we can see the set point. So all we do is turn this knob a little bit, and what happens is the set point goes down, and then the vacuum actually goes ahead and approaches that set point. That'll work all the way down to whatever vacuum you'd like. This number here actually indicates how much the proportional valve is moving to attain that particular pressure level. And we can keep going down to 10, 5, and 0.5 torr. Now, a configuration like this is typically best from about the 1 to 2 torr range all the way up to 760 torr. And the reason is we actually modulate the vacuum pump. It's actually very good for the vacuum pump too, because the vacuum pump is doing what it likes to do. And you turn it on and it gets to very low vacuum, so on the vacuum side of the valve itself, it's quite low vacuum. So that's Downstream vacuum pressure control by Digivac. If you'd like to hear more about it, give us a call.